Hello. Oh, extra 8 hours. You just saw me get very scared there. But the reason why I'm making this video wasn't to get scared. I have something to say. This is going to be the last video I upload on this channel. Let that simmer. I'm just playing with ya. Big reason for it. Okay, I got banned. On exploring lucid. If you were into the lucid dreaming community, you probably have heard of exploring lucid dreaming. Probably the biggest channel in the niche right now. And I got banned for commenting too many times on his video. I actually got into contact with the owner of the channel, and he's told me basically that I'm laying down. He told me that YouTube banned me automatically because I probably commented like 100 comments in like an hour. Okay, my bad. I like interacting so much, so YouTube banned me. YouTube banned me. So what's happening now? I'm not gonna lay down. Sadly, there was a part of me that wanted just to keep going and not, succumb. But I'm making a new channel, so this is the last video on this channel. Pretty much the same, and I'm actually adding another level to it, okay? So, if you know me, you don't because you just watch me at Exploring Lucid Dreaming. I like Gary Vee, I like Elon. I'm pretty big into a lot of different things, not just lucid dreaming. So, what I'm going to be doing, okay? I'm gonna, you ever see those corporation videos where like we're eliminating barriers? We're making it so that everybody can be like together. I'm doing that. Okay, I'm eliminating the barriers, and I'm going to have one channel, and I'm going to incorporate a lot more content in there. So it's going to be lucid dreaming. All my lucid dreaming stuff's going to go there. The Exploring 8 Hours podcasts stay the same. I'll just upload my lucid dreaming videos onto that one, so you have something where you can get a specific or more honed-in view of what's actually going on. But everything else is going on the main channel, and I'm just going to name it after me. My name, Matt Chim. Link is in the description. Please come over. You don't even understand. I literally do know, like, everybody that comments on my videos, I replied to them all. If you comment on my video, you know I've replied to you. Please come. If not, no worries, man. The videos are staying here. I hope you got some value out of them. I'm going to be making more for you, though. So if you ever catch me on the flip side, I hope we appreciate each other. I have to. This is my channel here. I have to give a few shout outs. So let's go on the notifications tab. And I just want to give a shout out to my boy. Oop, no, that's Emma Watson. My boy Ryan Ouellette. My boy. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. I got to make a new channel. But Ryan, don't worry. I'm going to make that hypnagogic state video for you. Probably within the next day or two. I want to give a shout out to FU Tasty. Give a shout out to Nut 3 Shoes. I hope your friends liked me too. I can't believe you liked it so much. You were willing to recommend it to your friends. I hope it was some value, bro. I hope you're actually having lucid dreams, because that was the goal. So, anyways, there's so many of you. It's like 20 of you. To all 20 of you, man. I swear. Not to be a douche. I don't mean to be like a douche. I actually do respect you guys there. But yeah, my last video, so thanks for watching. Have a good day.